Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant K with the 5 vowels.
There are some words that don't need any translation. We use them exactly the same way they come from other languages, and this happens all over the world. As an example, the martial art Kung Fu is said the same way in every language. We'll use words from other languages because we don't have that many original words in Spanish that use the letter K. Listen and then repeat the consonant K in Spanish. Ready? K. Again. K. Great job! Now, let's combine the consonant K with the vowels. Repeat after me. K. Que. Ki. Ko. Ku. Great job! Now let's read a sentence with a syllable K. Like in karate. Karate es un arte marcial.
Karate is a martial art.
Next, repeat after me. Que. Again. Que. Very good. Let's read a sentence with a syllable que. Like in kermés. Nos vemos en la kermés.
We'll see you at the fundraiser. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Next, repeat after me. Ki. Again. Ki. Great job! Let's read a sentence with a syllable ki. Like in kilogramos. El gato pesa 5 kilogramos.
The cat weighs 5 kilograms.
Now, repeat after me. Ko. Again. Ko. Nice job! Let's read a sentence with a syllable ko. Like in koalas. Los koalas son tan lindos.
The koalas are so cute.
Next, ku. Repeat after me. Ku. Again. Ku. Well done! Let's read a sentence with a syllable ku. Like in Kung Fu. Ellos están practicando Kung Fu.
They are practicing Kung Fu. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading one video per week. Hasta la próxima!